Hello YouTube, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk and today we're unboxing a great new device. This is the Huawei P20, so let's get into the unboxing and setup video. A massive thank you goes out to Vodafone UK who have supplied this device. There will be a link in the description so you can go through, check all the specs out for yourself and also look at the best price available from Vodafone UK. The Huawei P20 and P20 Pro was released in April 2018 and has come through with a wide range of praise from press, media, bloggers, YouTubers and daily users. So let's find out why. So first of all, on the front here you have quite a clean, clear packaging, which is nice. You have Huawei P20, you've got their badge, you've got their lacy dual camera setup system on this device. On the side you're not going to see much at all, it's just going to have the name of the device, Huawei P20. Again, it's going to be on the same here, Huawei P20. If we move around to the back, there's not actually that much information there, which is a shame, but there are some specs that I can give you now. So this is running Android 8.1, which is Oreo, and Emui 8.1 as well. Its display, as you can see here on the device, is a 5.8-inch display with a resolution of 1080 by 2240. So it's a nice big bright display. So I'm just going to take the phone out as well. We'll set that to the side. So you have your SIM tool there, and then inside here you will have leaflets, but this is a press release version. You've got a European plug. Here in the UK you will receive a 3-pin plug. You have USB to USB-C here for syncing and charging, so it's nice it has USB-C. You also have some headphones here, and you also have a connection for your headphone jack, so it's a USB-C to a 3.5 jack there to connect any headphones if you so wish to. Taking a look at the device straight away, if we turn around, this is where you're going to see the impressive dual lens system. On the Pro there is a 3-lens system, but you do have a bit of protection that we're just going to take off here. And I do like this here, the nice big screen. So let's give it a power on. So while it's powering on, the camera on the back is a dual camera. So it's one is 20 megapixels and one is 12 megapixel. The front facing camera is a 24 megapixel. You also have 4K recording on the back there. Inside you have 4 gigabytes of RAM. Your battery is 3400 milliamp hour. It weighs 165 grams, which is nice and light. And it is only 7.7 millimeters thick here. So there's a side profile. Storage on this device is 128 gigabytes with no micro SD. So it could be a potential issue, but with 128 gigabytes, you do have a lot of storage. The device is made up of glass on the front and the back with an aluminium body, and inside it is running an octa-core processor. As you see, there is a notch here. They have followed Apple in the notch design. It's a lot smaller as well, and more screen bends around to the sides, which I'm looking forward to testing out. So now we're into the setup phase of our video. Before I begin, I'm just going to go into vision settings, which I love to see down here at the bottom. So inside vision settings here, I can change magnification gestures or font size. So I'm going to go into font size here, and we can scrub along. So you can see it's nice and big. Just makes it a lot easier for me to read when we're going through the video. So you've got English United Kingdom, we're going to hit, that's already selected, we're going to hit next. Then you'll have your terms and conditions here, so we're going to hit continue and then agree again. So then we have user experience improvement program, so we can join this. You have service declaration here, so hit continue. So this is where we can have Wi-Fi plus and your weather location. So if you agree to the Wi-Fi plus, it will try and use your Wi-Fi as well as your network to improve your data usage, and then obviously weather to get the best weather where you are. Moving on, it will ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi here, so I'm going to select my Wi-Fi. It will ask you to input your password. It's always great to connect to your Wi-Fi as you want to save as much data as possible when you're out and about. So once that's done, it will turn blue. So it just went through a quick update there, just checking if any apps or software needed updating. So you can either set up as a new device or copy from previous data. I'm going to set up as new. Then it will ask you either to log into your Google account or create one. So you can create one here, and you will need that for all your apps, games, movies, TV shows and music. You have some terms and conditions that you need to agree to, and then about backing up your device if you want to back up your device, which we're going to say yes, that's fine. So there's loads of terms and conditions that you need to read there. So protecting your device is key. This is a very expensive device, and I do recommend using one of the key features it has on here. So it has face unlock, and it also has the touch fingerprint sensor down here that you can lock as well. So we're going to set this up. So first of all, you have to choose a PIN, pattern or password. We're going to choose a pattern. So I just drew a simple one to start off with. Make sure you do change this though to a more complicated one. So then you will have to redraw it, which I've just done there. Then a Huawei account, if you want to log in with a Huawei account. I'm actually going to skip this for the moment. Inside here, you can choose to do a cloud backup, or you can clone your phone if you so wish to. I'm actually going to skip for now. So you can use a cloud service here if you want to. So I'm just going to say not now. So you can set fingerprint or you can set face. So let's set the face. So it's going to ask you to redraw your pattern that you've just done previously, and you need to look at the device. So if I'm looking at the device here, so the face one was ever so simple, didn't have to do any movement, it just scanned your face. So then we can also set a fingerprint here as well, and then what you do is just rest your finger on here, then move it around. So you'll see where red highlights, you just got to fill it all in. There we go. So that's our fingerprint done. So now you have Google Assistant, so we can set up Google Assistant. I'm going to skip this for now. Then we have Emui, which is 8.1, and it's running Android 8.1 as well. And there we go. You can see a beautiful bright display here, and all of your applications are ready. Your device is set up and ready to go. That notch looks so small on this device compared to the iPhone X. Pulling down from the top, you still have all your widget drawer here. You still have all your notifications as well. And this will be a potential device that will run Android 9, which is P. If you do have any questions about the Huawei P20 and this video, please drop a comment down below. Please also let me know what videos you'd like to see on this brand new device. I'm going to be testing it out in a range of videos with some comparisons and some photo shots as well, as it does have such an impressive camera here on the rear. So thanks always for watching. Please remember to hit a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell as well so you stay updated with all my latest videos. Thanks always for watching. From me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.